Hello guys, and welcome to Basic Tutorial. And in this video, I will teach you how to create a new Apple ID on your iPhone device. So first thing you have to do is go to the settings and click Sign In to your iPhone. Click Don't have an Apple ID or forgot it. A pop-up menu will show up, and click Create Apple ID to create a new account. Enter your first name, last name, and your birth date. After that, click Next located on the upper right side of your screen. And then here, you can use your own email account like Yahoo or Gmail account, as long as it is not yet connected to any Apple ID account. Anyways, you can just create a new one. Now, to create a new email account, just click on Don't have an email address. A pop-up menu will show up, and then click Get an iCloud email address. Now you can create your new email address. And then after typing your new email address, click Next on the upper right side of your screen. A pop-up message will show up. Double-check your email address again and make sure that everything is correct before clicking the Create Email Address. Now, enter your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters or more, with a combination of numbers and an uppercase and lowercase letters. Click Next when you're done. Now enter your phone number to verify your identity. A verification will now be sent to your mobile via text, or you can click Phone Call if you want to receive your verification code via phone call. Click Next when you're done. Enter the 6-digit code that you received, then click Next. Read the terms and conditions if you want, or you may just click Agree. After clicking Agree, you will now automatically get signed in to your new Apple ID account. After signing in, you will now be asked to enter the passcode of your phone. Then after entering your passcode, you are now signed into your new Apple ID account. And that is how to create a new Apple ID on your iPhone device. And if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more video tutorials. Thank you.